Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Did you know that you can change how someone's name appears in your Instagram chat? Maybe you want to set a nickname or just make it easier to remember who is who. In this video, I am going to show you how to change someone's name in Instagram chat. So first of all, open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on this message icon on the top right corner and find out that chats you want to change the name. Now tap on this little profile icon or this name. You can see there is an option nicknames. Tap on this. But remember, only you can change the nicknames if the people is allowed to change their name. If they're turned off, you cannot change this. Like this. I cannot change this nickname because it doesn't allow this. So this is how you can change the nicknames or name in your Instagram chat. And you will see the nickname instead of their regular name. So it's a cool way to keep remember who is who, right? And it's a personalized way. So if you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.